Hello everyone. Today we have the Milwaukee tape measure, wide blade 25 foot. This is my favorite tape measure. Heavy duty for sure. I use this one outside mostly. Right now I'm redoing the barbed wire fence around the whole farm. So I'm measuring out every 12 feet for a post. This tape measure is so nice. It's heavy, it's fat, rubber grips, has a little clip, and a slot for a lanyard. My favorite part is this underneath. This cutout, this little notch cutout right there. So when you don't have to, I don't have to lock it. I can hold it. Even though there's a scale chart underneath like that. So smooth. I've used this one in the dirt, and I thought it would be a problem with dirt getting underneath there in that notch, but no issues. No issues at all. I use this one inside the house too, for when I'm reviewing certain products. Sometimes I use a mini tape measure for scale, or sometimes I use this big tape measure for scale. This one's really wide though, 1.3 inches wide. Look how big those numbers are. And one of the coolest features about this tape measure, it's so heavy duty, this one can extend out to 18 feet without bending. How amazing is that? I'm only measuring 12 feet, so it's a breeze, no problem at all. Quick and easy, but 18 feet, that's amazing. Now I've tried it myself, and I think the farthest I've gotten it out without bowing is 16 feet. I didn't quite get there to 18, but I got to 16 foot and then it bent. Which is not a big deal, that's still a ton. Most measurements, 8 foot, 10 foot, 12 foot. So it's not a big deal at all. Now surprisingly, this may be Milwaukee's cheapest tool, relatively speaking. And I say that because this was not expensive at all. I paid full price, was not on sale, and it wasn't that expensive. Now most of Milwaukee's tools are like 30 to 50% more than other tools. You're paying for that brand. Yeah, it's a cool color, the best color. Yeah, they sell these things everywhere, but they're also the most stolen tool in North America. These tools, Milwaukee gets stolen non-stop. Home Depot, Lowe's. I've even seen them in plumbing stores that sell equipment for plumbing. They're stolen like crazy. Yeah, they're top notch. You're paying for that Milwaukee brand, high quality, but they're stolen like crazy. So you usually pay a pretty penny. Not this. This is not expensive. This is the same price as other tape measures, surprisingly. And it's pretty much perfect. How smooth that is. You can see the little notch right there. That's how I can do that because of that notch. There's a little scale chart underneath. Architectural scale. How cool is that? I will never use that, but nice to know it's there. The things you learn. Thank you, everyone. You have a good day. Let me know in the comments if you have one of these Milwaukee tape measures. And if you like it, let me know. Thank you.